Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about AIOps in hybrid cloud observability. AIOps, or artificial intelligence for IT operation, is a new approach to IT operation that uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to automate and improve IT processes. Hybrid cloud observability is the ability to gain a deep understanding of the health and performance of a hybrid cloud environment. This includes monitoring the infrastructure, applications, and data across both public and private cloud environments. AIOps can be used to improve the hybrid cloud's observability in a number of ways, including automating monitoring. AIOps can be used to automate the monitoring of hybrid cloud environment. This can free up IT staff to focus on more strategic tasks. Proactive problem detection. AIOps can be used to productively detect problems in hybrid cloud environment. This can help to prevent problems from impacting users and businesses. Root cause analysis. AIOps can be used to identify the root cause of problems in hybrid cloud environment. This can help to resolve problems more quickly and effectively. Performance optimization. AIOps can be used to optimize the performance of hybrid cloud environment. This can help to improve the user experience and reduce costs. Benefits of AIOps in hybrid cloud observability. There are a number of benefits to using AIOps in hybrid cloud observability, including improved visibility. AIOps can help you to get a more complete view of your hybrid cloud environment. This can help you to identify and troubleshoot problems more quickly. Improve performance. AIOps can help you to improve the performance of your hybrid cloud environment by identifying and resolving performance bottlenecks. Improve security. AIOps can help you to improve the security of your hybrid cloud environment by identifying and resolving security vulnerabilities. Reduce cost. AIOps can help you to reduce the cost of your hybrid cloud environment by optimizing your resource utilization and compliance. AIOps can help you to ensure compliance with the industry regulation by monitoring your hybrid cloud environment for security and compliance tasks. There are a number of challenges to using AIOps in hybrid cloud observability, including complexity. Hybrid cloud environment can be complex, making it to deploy and manage AIOps solution. Data quality. The quality of data that is used by AIOps solution is critical to their success. Poor data quality can lead to inaccurate results. Security. AIOps solution can introduce new security risks, such as the risks of data breaches and the unauthorized accesses. So how to implement AIOps in hybrid cloud observability? There are a number of ways to implement AIOps in cloud observability. The most common approach is to cloud native AIOps solution. A cloud native AIOps solution is designed to deploy and manage in their cloud environment. To implement AIOps in hybrid cloud observability using a cloud native AIOps solution, you will need to deploy the cloud native AIOps solution to hybrid your cloud environment. Configure the cloud native AIOps solution to collect the data that you want to monitor. Train your cloud native AIOps solution on your historical data. Once the cloud native AIOps solution is deployed and trained, you will be able to use them monitor your hybrid cloud environment for problem, optimize performance, and improve security. So, in additional tips, here start with a pilot project. It is often helpful to start with a pilot project when implementing AIOps and hybrid cloud observability. This will allow you to test and evaluate different solutions before you commit a full-scale implementation. Get buy-in from your team. It is important to get buy-in from your team before you implement AIOps and hybrid cloud observability. This will help you to ensure that everyone is on the same page, that the solution is used effectively. Monitor you continuously. AIOps should monitor your hybrid cloud environment continuously, not just from time to time. This will help you to identify and troubleshoot problems quickly. By following these tips, you can implement AIOps in hybrid cloud observability. So in conclusion, AIOps is a powerful tool that can be used to improve hybrid cloud observability. By using AIOps, you can get a more complete view of your hybrid cloud environment, improve performance, security, and cost, ensure compliance with industry regulation. That's all everyone. I hope you'll understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.